Hello and good evening, Center School families. This video is late in coming to you. It's been a few weeks, I'd say, and this email is late coming to you in the week. I apologize for that. We've had a lot of things going on here at Center School. I'm excited that we are almost at Thanksgiving, but very hard to believe that we are almost at Thanksgiving, and I'm looking forward to celebrating with grandparents and special friends and your children this coming Tuesday. We're all set for the event, and it's going to be a wonderful time as always, and just a wonderful way to jumpstart the holiday season. So again, looking forward to that. I do want to talk a little bit about the season of giving, since we just talked about Thanksgiving. When we return from Thanksgiving break, that first Tuesday following Thanksgiving break, excuse me, I have my timer on, that first Tuesday following Thanksgiving break is something called Giving Tuesday. It's actually a national day of philanthropy. And it is a day for people to donate to a variety of foundations or organizations, and I'm reaching out to you to ask you if you would consider donating to our annual fund or our scholarship program in support of our programming and also in support of our students. I'm also happy to report that we have a new initiative for scholarships, and Mrs. Mazzillo and I are going to be putting out the word for that in about a week or so. So you also would be able to give to that initiative as well. So anything that you can provide in way of support is meaningful to us. Really, it's not the amount that matters. It is really just the thought. As I say, it's the thought that counts, and we really mean that. So I appreciate your consideration in supporting Center School in that way. There really is not a whole lot more to tell you about what's going on here at Center School. We are a little quiet during the month of December, other than an evening workshop that we're hosting on Wednesday, December 11th. It's a nutrition workshop. It's a little bit of a twist. It's actually a follow-on to a nutrition workshop we hosted last year. And this is about remaining healthy at the holidays and how to avoid the crash, and also how to support your child over the holidays with eating, with minimizing sugar, and with minimizing certain foods that could cause certain behaviors to increase. I know that's always difficult at the holiday times, but we're partnering with two local gyms. One is CrossFit Generation located in Horsham, and the other is Fitman Performance and Physique here in Roslyn. And we did partner with the both of them last year. And this year it's going to be a really neat twist. We're actually setting up the gym to look like a holiday table, if you will, and we're going to be comparing traditional foods with healthy food alternatives. We're going to have a variety of raffles to win. We have two high-end Vitamix mixers, we have scales, we have gift cards to grocery stores, and the entire event is free. So coming is free, getting raffle tickets is free, and if you wear an ugly Christmas or an ugly holiday sweater, you get another free raffle. So there's lots of opportunities, and it's really an informative time, and I think will be really beneficial for all of us. So if you want to sign up, you can sign up on our website. You can contact Mrs. Mazzillo. She'll be able to sign you up, or you could just let me know. I'll put you on the list. So I want to wish all of you a really happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that you enjoy the time with family and friends, and also enjoy the special time with your child, because they're home with you for quite a few days. So enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.